And now your weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Something happened today that hasn't happened in 2.5 weeks. We had high temperatures in the 70s, but just barely. The high temperature today was 79 degrees. You have to go all the way back to June 24th to find the last time we had a high temperature in the 70s. Hopefully you enjoyed the cool down because now it's going to warm back up again. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Tomorrow, highs will be mainly in the lower 80s. We'll see the same for Tuesday. On Wednesday, upper 70s to lower 80s across the area, and then 80s to around 90 for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as the heat and humidity starts to build in here once again. Currently, we are looking at temperatures that are in the 70s everywhere, except for Watoma, where we actually did hit 80 today. Right now in Appleton, it is mostly cloudy and 73. In Green Bay, a mixture of sun and clouds. The temperature is 77 degrees, and look at that dew point down into the 50s. Right now, the dew point in Oshkosh is 58. The dew point in Shawano is 53, and that is in sharp contrast to what we had last week when dew points were in the 70s. So not only was it cooler today, it was much, much less humid out there. When dew points get down into the 50s to around 60, it's considered very, very comfortable, especially during the middle of July. Now, we had a lot of clouds out there today. At times, it was mostly cloudy, although underneath the clouds, really not a whole lot going on. As you can see on the radar, we've got quiet conditions. High pressure is our main weather maker. And as the evening turns into the night, all those clouds out there will dissipate, and with clear skies and dew points in the 50s, we're going to see our coolest readings since June. Now, on the backside of this high pressure system, with the clockwise flow around it, winds have turned to the south and west, and that means it is starting to heat back up again. While we had highs in the upper 70s across Minnesota and Iowa and the Dakotas, temperatures were getting back up into the 80s and 90s, and that's the heat that's going to start building east as we make our way through this upcoming work week. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine early on, then kind of a mixture of sun and clouds by the afternoon. Look for high temperatures mainly in the lower 80s. You can see that on Skycast. We should have dry weather throughout the day, but as that warmer air approaches in the form of a warm front, we're going to have the chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. It looks like the best chance will probably be Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. We'll have to keep a close eye on some of those thunderstorms. So tonight, clearing and cool, lows in the upper 50s. Those normally cooler locations across the far north could actually see some lower 50s. Tomorrow, a nice day. Sunshine mixing with clouds, much like today, but I think tomorrow we'll have a little more sunshine than what we saw this afternoon. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 81. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to St. Vincent de Paul of Green Bay, and we did that yesterday. I forecast a high of 84, and the actual high temperature was 85 degrees. On Tuesday, sun and clouds, a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Look for highs in the lower 80s. A good chance of showers and thunderstorms then Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then slowly clearing conditions on Wednesday. Upper 70s to lower 80s. How warm we get depends on how quickly we clear out. We'll see mid-80s return on Thursday, and then for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it looks like upper 80s to maybe lower 90s depending on how much sunshine we have at peak heating. Also, as the heat builds in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll have a chance for a couple of thunderstorms or maybe even a thunderstorm complex. But more on that as we get closer. Abby?
All right, thank you, Cameron. Well, it was a good day for a celebration in Brussels. The Lions Club hosted their annual Belgian Days Festival with a few adjustments to help with social distancing. This year, the club planned a drive-through fundraiser, and they've already surpassed fundraising goals for next year. Serving up tripe instead of brats, we'll hear from the club tonight at 10 about how they pulled it all off